got some smoke. I got some smoke. Oh, you got the same as me.
Is it good or bad though?
This time I got this omo rice kind of onigiri.
Rice niri.
And then they had an eel one. Unagi. We'll see how this tastes.
Okay. どうですか?
Pretty good. Today we are going to Kyoto, and we are renting kimonos today in 30-degree weather. So we'll see how it goes. Peak afternoon, by the way. Our appointment's at 1 o'clock.
It's gonna be hot until 5 p.m. It's gonna be 29 degrees until 5 p.m.
As long as I get nice pictures, I'm good. We also just went to get our fortune. No idea what it says. Did not tie them up because we didn't know if it was good or bad. So we're gonna send them to my friend mine and have her translate it for us. Okay, let's try this omo rice one. I don't like this one as much.
Rowan. What's bad about it?
It's like bland, but you smell the omo rice.
It has like the essence of omo rice.
You don't taste the omo rice. Let me see if you agree with me. Do you agree?
It has the essence of ketchup.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah, it literally tastes like nothing. I'm so sad.
But it's not bad. Like, I think if you keep eating it, it gets better.
I think maybe it's because the unagi one had a lot of flavor.
Salty. But I think it's not bad. I think if you keep eating this, it gets better because you can taste more of like the saltiness.
Yeah. A little disappointed.
No, we're like little penguins. Little penguins. Sam's been walking real fast. I don't know how.
Sam's literally speedrunning.
Yeah, but there's so many layers to these kimonos. It's kind of hot.
There's so much string.
There's so much. My back is like super straight right now because they put like this board or something.
Oh yeah, with the abs of steel.
The abs of steel.
Push me right now in the stomach. I wouldn't feel it.
Wouldn't feel it at all. We gotta try this. We gotta try this ASAP. Totally forgot to vlog yet again yesterday. I don't think I vlogged the ending of yesterday, but we basically walked around Higashiyama with our kimonos and it was very nice. It was kind of crowded though, so we're gonna plan to We're gonna plan to go earlier in the morning next time. We also didn't get to see all the shops, so we're going to do that next time. Right now we're on our way to Fushimi Inari to hopefully get some nice pictures. It is 6:30 in the morning. Hopefully get there by 7. And then we'll probably come back to the hotel and change before heading out again. We got another omikuji for CC.
It's
What?
normal. What? Right?
No, it's not.
What? What is
No.
it? Wait.
Where is it?
What do you mean?
Jishung.
Wait.
Right?
I got a bad one, right?
Right? I think you got a bad one too.
I got a bad one.
What's mine? Oh,
It's good.
Oh, Daikichi.
Bro, what is up with her?
It's already been made. Omikuji from Yasuka Shrine. Sam got the love one. What does it say? Oh, half luck?
I'll take it.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Okay.
Okay. And I just got a regular one. Oh. Nice. Out of its ass. What's this say? Oh, Daikichi.
Yay! Finally.
Okay, Cece, your turn. Let's see. Oh,
What is it?
smoky.
Oh, it's still good.
It's still good.
Oh, okay.
小鸡.
小鸡.
Daikichi.
什么鬼？
Oh,
Kiyomizu 522. Okay? And keep chill.
Chill, Sam.
Why are you so obsessed with me? Anyways, number 9, 15 Osmanthus. So here's the ratio.
Yes.
65,000. 6,500.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. These are for my brother.
What are they?
Suzuki Jimny, no idea.
Okay.
Tomioka G Fighter,
And this is also for your brother?
yes. And model Zaku 2,
Okay.
no idea. Okay, and then the matcha bowl, 900 yen.
Yes.
A mini one, a little baby one. My matcha. This one's 400 grams.
Yes.
Sayaka no Mukashi. Another 400 grams. Same. And then 20 grams. Shoinen no Mukashi. And then
Wow, Sam, you bought a lot.
and I did the gachapon. And I got this pin. Same roll.
Yes. Very cute.
Oh, I bought my mom earrings, but I'm not gonna open that one. And I
Oh, you bought earrings?
for my mom,
Oh, okay.
and that's it.
Okay. See, your turn.
Okay. So, first I got these anime.
No, I thought these were all like you and Sam both bought them.
Oh no, I don't want any.
Oh, okay.
This is all for me. This is the star candies from anime. I got 4 different flavors to give to people, for friends. And then I also got matcha, the Kyoto exclusive. And I also got my fragrance.
Yes.
It's called Kyoto 522. Why are you so obsessed with me?
That's the tagline.
Kyoto 522, comma, why are you so obsessed with me? And then I also got these balls.
Where are they from?
They're from,
The Daiso thing.
what is it called?
Standard products.
Oh yeah. But there are 2 rice bowls and I can finally have more than 1 rice bowl.
Yay.
And also this is our favorite candy.
Yes.
I like the silk one better.
Okay.
And that's it for me.
Okay.
There you go.
So, I of course have my fragrance. Mine is called. It looks like this. I got a gold cap compared to everyone else because I think the gold one looks better. I can't even get it out though. This is mine. It's called higashiyama 0522. And then. So I got that, and then I also got a matcha bowl matching with Sam because I didn't know that it was only $9. And then I got this Goshuin book. This was my old one.
Oh, this word is red.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this was my old one, but I like this one much better. Plus it's the fabric kind. So I got that. And then I got these cookies. They're like white chocolate cookies that are shaped like kimonos. So these are for Patar's family. And then I got these Shiba Inu cookies from Matthew. They're very, very cute. I think they're maple flavored. Yeah, I think